Welcome to Future Phone Flash. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. With just 1 week left until the highly anticipated launch, we've got all the juicy details from a major leak. Buckle up and let's get started. Overview of the leak. Evan Blass, a renowned and reliable leaker, has shared promotional materials for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. These leaks provide us with an exclusive early look at what Samsung has in store for their upcoming Unpacked event. Let's break down the highlights. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Design and build. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is designed to impress with its sleek and lightweight build, weighing in at just 239 grams. Constructed with an Armor aluminum chassis, this device is not only stylish but also durable, boasting an IP48 rating for water and dust resistance. This means you can confidently use your phone in various environments without worrying about damage from dust or accidental spills. AI integration. Samsung has packed the Fold 6 with cutting-edge AI features. These include AI Note Summary through Note Assist, an interpreter feature for seamless translations, and Circle to Search, which makes finding information easier than ever. These AI tools are designed to enhance both productivity and the overall user experience. For example, the AI Note Summary can help you quickly get the gist of lengthy documents, while the interpreter feature can assist in real-time conversations in different languages, making it an ideal tool for frequent travelers or business professionals. Display and performance. The Fold 6's display is the game-changer, with brightness increased by 1.5 times, reaching a remarkable 2600 nits. This ensures excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. Performance has also seen a significant boost, with an 18% faster CPU, a 19% faster GPU, and a 42% faster NPU compared to the Z Fold 5. This means smoother, faster, and more efficient operation across all tasks, from multitasking and gaming to streaming and productivity applications. Whether you're editing videos, playing graphic-intensive games, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the Fold 6 can handle it all with ease. Camera. Photography enthusiasts will love the Z Fold 6's triple camera setup. It includes a 50MP main sensor, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. This versatile camera system allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in various scenarios, from detailed close-ups and portraits to expansive landscapes and brute shots. The cover camera is 10MP, while there's a 4MP lens inside the device for those essential selfies and video calls. The improved camera technology ensures high-quality images with enhanced clarity, color accuracy, and low-light performance. Battery and display. Despite having the same 4400 mAh battery as its predecessor, software and hardware optimizations mean better battery life. The Fold 6 features a stunning 2x dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, measuring 6.2 inches on the outside and 7.6 inches on the inside, offering an immersive viewing experience. This means you can enjoy vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth motion whether you're watching movies, playing games, or browsing the web. The increased battery efficiency ensures you can use your device throughout the day without constantly worrying about recharging. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Design and build. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is even more compact and stylish, featuring new camera accents that give it a fresh look. While the cover screen remains similar to its predecessor, the overall design has been refined to enhance usability and aesthetics. The compact form factor makes it easy to carry around, and the flip mechanism adds a touch of nostalgia while providing practical benefits like protecting the main display when not in use. AI features. The Z Flip 6 also comes with innovative AI features. These include AI for chat history and suggestions, making conversations more intuitive, and the Circle to Search feature, which simplifies finding specific information quickly and easily. For instance, the AI chat history can help you keep track of important conversations and provide relevant suggestions based on context, while the Circle to Search feature allows you to highlight and search for information directly from your screen, saving you time and effort. Camera. The new 50MP main lens on the Z Flip 6 promises stunning portraits and low-light shots, further enhanced by the ProVisual engine and advanced AI capabilities. This ensures that every photo you take is picture-perfect. Whether you're capturing a sunset, a night out with friends, or a special moment, the improved camera technology and AI enhancements will help you achieve professional quality results with minimal effort. Battery and display. The Z Flip 6 now features a larger 4000 mAh battery, up from 3700 mAh, providing up to 23 hours of video playback. This means you can enjoy your favorite content for longer periods without needing to recharge. It's protected with a P48 rating, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and sports a 6.6-inch 2x dynamic AMOLED folding display. The 3.3-inch cover display remains a 720p IPS, perfect for quick glances and notifications. The larger battery and durable build ensure that the Z Flip 6 is both long-lasting and resilient, making it a reliable companion for your daily activities. Accidental leak on Samsung's website. In a surprising twist, some sharp-eyed fans discovered images of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 on Samsung's Kazakhstan website, seemingly published by accident. These images confirm that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have a design similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, featuring sharp sides and less curved corners. They also hint at the inclusion of Galaxy AI, consistent with other Galaxy devices running One UI 6.1, adding an exciting layer of intelligent features to these new foldables. The leak source. The leaks surrounding Samsung's upcoming devices have sparked immense excitement, sourced from trusted insiders like Evan Blass, who recently shared high-resolution renders through social media and his Substack newsletter. Adding to the anticipation, WinFuture has also contributed with additional images, revealing new color options that will debut with these devices. These leaks have set the stage for a highly anticipated Unpacked event in Paris. Galaxy Z Flip 6 updates. Moving on to the Galaxy Z Flip 6, leaked images showcase an array of eye-catching colors: silver, green, light blue, and yellow. While the external design changes appear subtle, the Flip 6 is rumored to pack a significant upgrade with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, possibly available in multiple configurations. Furthermore, expectations point towards a larger battery capacity and enhanced camera capabilities, promising a notable improvement over its predecessor. Galaxy Z Fold 6 enhancements. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been spotted in elegant color options including pink, dark navy blue, and silver. Notably, it boasts a sleeker, more squared-off design, alongside a reduction in hinge and bezel sizes. The rear camera module is distinguished by black rings surrounding the triple camera setup, hinting at potential improvements. Despite speculations that the main camera system might remain unchanged, there are indications of a larger cover screen and a design ethos reminiscent of the acclaimed Galaxy S24 Ultra. Competition in the foldable market. In a dynamic foldable market, Samsung faces increasing competition from rivals like Google's Pixel Fold, OnePlus Open, and Motorola Razr. To maintain its leadership, Samsung is teasing innovative artificial intelligence features tailored for both the Fold 6 and Flip 6, aimed at enhancing user experience and productivity. Samsung has officially confirmed that their upcoming Unpacked event will take place on July 10 in the beautiful city of Paris, aligning with the festive atmosphere of the Summer Olympics. Outro. That wraps up our sneak peek into Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event. Make sure to mark your calendars for July 10 and join us for live updates and in-depth reviews of all the new gadgets. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news and rumors. Thanks for watching Future Phone Flash, where we keep you at the forefront of technology.